Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to open or view any PDF file without using third-party PDF viewer software in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on my desktop screen, you can see I have one PDF file. So let me show its properties. So you can see it's a PDF file, right? So here I will try to open this PDF file without using any third-party PDF viewer software like the Adobe Reader or any other PDF viewer software. So here what we'll do, just right click on this PDF file and you can see here open with, right? So under the open with, you can see right now I have a Adobe Acrobat Reader installed in my Windows computers, but we are not going to use this third-party software. And below you can see here mentioning some web browsers, right? So the Microsoft Edge, which comes preloaded with every Windows 10 or the Windows 11 versions, or if you're using a Windows 7, then you need to upgrade your Internet Explorer to Microsoft Edge browsers. So here we are gonna use a Microsoft Edge browser instead of any PDF viewer. So let me select this or click on Microsoft Edge. Now you can see it's opening the PDF file. So you can see here the entire PDF file, and here are some options. You can add a text, like you can change the page view, or you can draw, you can highlight, you can erase something. But the sad part is that like the professional PDF editor, you can't edit any already written text, but you can definitely view the entire PDF files without needing to use any third-party PDF viewer software. So in my opinion, if you don't have any PDF viewer, then you can use this Microsoft Edge web browser, which comes preloaded with every Windows 10 and 11 computers. Then using those web browsers, you can easily view your PDF files without needing the third-party PDF viewer. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.